Hi everyone! Today I'll show you a simple way to share a voice message on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app and head to your messages. Select the person you want to send the voice message to. For this example, I'll choose Alex. Now, record a voice message by holding down the microphone icon. Let's record something simple like, "Hello." Once your message is sent, you might notice that Instagram doesn't have a direct option to forward it. If you tap and hold the message, you'll only see options like reply,
unsend, or react, but no forward option.
Here's a creative workaround. Use the screen recording feature on your phone. Swipe down to access the quick settings menu and tap on the screen record button. Start recording, then play the voice message you want to share. Once the playback is complete, stop the screen recording. The recording will be saved in your gallery, and you can now share it with anyone, whether through Instagram, email, or other platforms. That's it. I hope this tip helps. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next one.